Hello everyone, I'm Raj. Today we are going to learn about the root word auto. Now you might be wondering, why should we learn root words? Well, root words are like the roots of a tree. They are the foundation of many English words. If you learn one root word, if you learn one root word, you can understand many more words built from it. So, let's dive in and learn 8 simple and powerful words made from the root auto, which means self. The very first word is root word means self, and you can say that self operated. Auto is a prefix, right? Now comes on very first word, that is auto rickshaw. Here is a prefix auto. Auto means self and rickshaw. Rickshaw taken from jinriksha word, and jinriksha word, it's a Japanese word, right? It's a Japanese word. Rickshaw. Here Rik is resembling to Ricky, means power, force, and Shaw means vehicle, car, right? So, what's the meaning? The meaning is what's the meaning of auto rickshaw? Auto rickshaw is a self-moving passenger vehicle, usually with 3 wheels that is powered by a motor, right? So, what's the meaning of auto rickshaw is? Auto rickshaw is a self-moving passenger vehicle, usually with 3 wheels that is powered by a motor. You know, I want to say one thing to you. Whenever I go to the market, then I often think that why this vehicle name is auto rickshaw. Now I got it. The second example is autotrophs. Autotrophs. Auto means self and trop means nourishment or food, right? And trop is a Greek word. So, what's the meaning of autotrophs? An autotroph is an organism like a plant that makes its own food. ऑटोट्रॉप का मीनिंग क्या? वो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं, राइट? सो नो कम्स ऑन द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, autographs. Autographs. Auto means self and graph means write. Hence, the meaning of autograph is a signature written by oneself. Fourth one is automatic. Auto means self, matic means working. So, the meaning of automatic is works by itself. The next one is autonomy. Here, auto means self and nomy means law or rule. Hence, mean self-rule or independence, right? And auto lock. Sixth one is auto lock. Auto means self or lock means to secure. When we go outside, then we often lock our house. Why we lock our house? Because when we lock our house, we feel secure. That's why we lock our house. So some locks are automatic also. So what's the meaning of auto lock? Means lock itself. Lock itself. Seventh one is autocracy. Auto means self and cracy means rule or government. Means self-rule or ruled by one person. Now comes on the last but not the least, auto load. Auto means self, load means to put on. To put on or to load means loads by itself. So these are all words which are made by root words. So we should learn all these words so that we can implement these words in our life. So guys, please, if you like this video, like, comment and share please.